Today we shall understand about the chapter 2 more about paint, the continued part. In this we are learning about cut, paste and copy options. To do this, first we have to open the previous drawing what we have done in the last class. We have saved it as house and that was in documents. To do that, start all programs, accessories and paint. So then to open the file, click on file, open and then search for the documents and click on the house and click on open. So now the house is on a screen. So now we have to cut the top portion of the house. To do that, we have to click on select. In the select, we have two things, that is rectangular selection and freeform selection. So here we are selecting rectangular selection and then we have to click and drag to select the top portion. So click onto the side of it and keep on pressing the mouse, drag to your horizontal and continue the dragging to the top. So here we will release the mouse and we are getting the dotted lines around the top of the house. So the top of the house, the dotted box we have let it be. Now we have to click on cut. So when we click on cut, the top portion is saved in the clipboard of the computer. So now click on the paste to get back the top portion. So we got the top portion in the corner of the screen and the dotted box is around the top. So now let the dotted box be. Keep on pressing your mouse on that and move towards the house. And wherever you want, you can shift it where you want to keep the portion which we have pasted. So this is what you understand by the cut of. Now we shall understand how to do by the shortcut keys. To do this, do the same, selecting on the top using the rectangular selection and then on your keyboard press on Ctrl X. Keep on pressing the Ctrl button, press X. So now the top portion is been removed and put on the clipboard. To paste it, click on Ctrl V. That is, keep on pressing Ctrl and the V button. Now it has been pasted. Take outside.